Hello students, how are you? I hope all are fine. Today I am going to teach you second class EVS. In previous class we learnt about what we learnt in previous class. We learnt about food we eat. What is that lesson? Food we eat. In that lesson question and answers, blanks, everything completed. Today we are discussing about clothes we wear. Okay? All of you open your textbook, page number 159. Open your textbook everyone. See that lesson, first para. Clothes are one of our basic needs. Clothes are one of our basic needs. Okay, clothes chala important manaki. Yes or no? See, we wear clothes to cover our body. We wear clothes to cover our body. Okay. Why we are wearing clothes? We have to cover our body and cloth protect us from heat, cold, rainy and everything, dust. Okay, so that's why we are wearing clothes. See, clothes protect us from heat, cold, rain, dust and insects. Okay, clothes protect us from heat, rain, cold, insects and dust. Okay, they make us look smart. We will wear different clothes means we will look like very smart. Yes or no? Yes. See all of you. Types of clothes. Types of clothes, see all of you. We wear clothes according to the seasons. We wear clothes according to the seasons. We have mainly 3 seasons. What is that seasons? Summer, winter and rainy. We have 3 seasons. What is that seasons? Summer, winter, rainy. Okay. We wear clothes according to the seasons, need and occasions. In different occasions, we will wear different types of clothes. Occasions means any festivals, birthdays, parties, and it is there means that those are called occasions. Okay. In that occasions, we will wear different types of clothes. Yes. Okay. See. We wear different clothes in different seasons. Okay. See, we wear cotton clothes in summer. In summer, what type of clothes we will use? We will use light colored cotton clothes. In summer season, we will use light colored cotton clothes. Yes. These clothes keep us cool. In summer season, climate will be very hot. Yes or no? Sun will be very hot. All the time we will get in our body very heat, no? So that's why we have to use cotton cloths, light colored cloths we have to use. Okay? We will wear that type of cloths means will some cool in our body, some coolness will be there. Okay? See, we get cotton from the cotton plant. Where we are getting from the cotton? We are getting cotton from the cotton plant. Okay. Next, see, we wear woolen cloths in winter season. In winter season, what type of cloths we wear? We wear woolen cloths in winter season. Woolen cloths, how it will be used for us? Woolen cloths వల్ల ఏమవుతుందంటే మనకి చలి వేస్తుంది కదా వింటర్ సీజన్లో బాగా, అప్పుడు మనకి woolen cloths వేసుకుంటే మనకి కొంచెం హీట్ ఉంటుంది woolen cloths వల్ల. ఓకే, సో దట్స్ వై వీ హ్యావ్ టు యూస్ ఇన్ వింటర్ సీజన్ woolen cloths. ఓకే, దే కీప్ us వామ్. అవి వేసుకోవడం వల్ల ఎలా ఉంటుంది మనకి? వామ్ అంటే హీట్గా ఉంటుంది, వేసుకుంటే వెచ్చగా ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, వి గెట్ వూల్ ఫ్రమ్ షీప్. మనకి ఊల్ ఎలా వస్తుంది? షీప్ నుంచి. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్, డ్యూరింగ్ ద రైనీ సీజన్ వి యూస్ రైన్ కోట్స్ ఆర్ అంబ్రెల్లాస్. ఇన్ రైనీ సీజన్ వాట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు యూస్? We have to use raincoats and umbrellas. Okay, we should use raincoat and umbrellas in rainy season. We are using like that means we should not get wet on that. We went to outside also in rainy season. We will wear raincoat or umbrella used means we will not wet. Okay. Next, we also wear gumboots. They protect us from rain, and gumboots also we can use in rainy season. Okay. Okay, see all of you. Next, open next page, all of you. Some other cloths. See, all of you, silk cloths. Do you know silk cloths? Every day we are using, when we are using cotton cloths in summer season, and another cloth will be there, silk cloth, that is will be smooth and silky it will be, that is silk cloths. We wear silk cloths on special occasions. Any special occasions is there means in our home we will use silk cloths. See, we get silk from silkworm. Where we are get from silk? We are getting silk from silkworm. Okay. See, next, synthetic cloths. What is that? Synthetic cloths. See, cloths made from artificial fibers like rayons, nylon and polyester called synthetic cloths. Synthetic cloths means what they will use? They will use rayons and nylon. Polyester are called synthetic cloths. Okay. Polyester cloths like lightweight. It will be, if it will be one hole it will be happen means it will be tear. That is the synthetic nylon polyester cloths. Okay. In your home it will be there one stick. Okay. What type of cloths will be there in your home? Your cloths only, check once. Cotton cloth, what is that cotton cloth? Silk cloth, everything you can check. Okay. These are shiny and durable. ఇవి ఎలా ఉంటాయి? సింథటిక్ క్లాత్స్ అంటే చాలా మెరుస్తూ మనం చూడడానికి చమ్కీస్గా చాలా బాగుంటాయి. ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్, యూనిఫామ్. డూ యూ నో యూనిఫామ్? Uniform we know very well. Why? Because we are coming to school means we have to wear uniform. You should wear uniform. School కి వచ్చినప్పుడు మీరు ఏం చేస్తారు? యూనిఫామ్ వేసుకుని వస్తారు కదా. That is uniform for you all. For students, uniform will be there, and different kinds of jobs will be. Parents will do no. They will also wear uniform. See, uniform is worn by school. Who will be wear that uniform? School children, doctors, nurse, lawyers, policemen and postmen. These people can be easily identified by their uniform. వాళ్ళు వేసుకునే యూనిఫామ్ వల్ల మనం ఈజీగా ఐడెంటిఫై చేయగలుగుతాం కదా. డాక్టర్ ఏం వేసుకుంటారు? వైట్ కోట్, అండ్ నర్సెస్ వైట్ డ్రెస్, అండ్ పోస్ట్మ్యాన్ అండ్ పోలీస్మ్యాన్ దే విల్ వేర్ khaki dress, and next lawyers will wear black coat. Yes. Next, okay, these people can easily we can identify. See here, who is he? We can identify easily. Who is he? He is doctor, and she is nurse, and she is school children, and he is postman. Okay, see here, can you recognize the name of the country by looking of the cloths? We can identify these fellows. See here, he work traditionally, so it is Indian culture, and it is Chinese, it is Japanese. Okay, it is Indian culture. They will wear like this, traditional. It is Japanese culture. It is Chinese culture and Japanese culture. Okay. See how cloths made. Do you know ela cloths ela tayar chestar anedi meeku telusa? See here, cotton cloths. We know that cotton is obtained from the cotton plant. Manam cotton cloths ekkadi nunchi vastayani cheppam. Cotton, we are getting cotton from cotton plant. Yes, cotton is spun into yarn. Cotton ఎలా అవుతుంది తర్వాత we'll get first cotton, we get cotton from cotton plant. After it will be like a yarn means ఒక దారం ఉంటుంది కదా, దారం రీల్ ఉంటుంది కదా, అలా దారంలో తయారు చేస్తారు కాటన్ తీసుకొని. తర్వాత ఏమవుతుంది? the yarn is then used to make cloth on a loom. ఆ కాటన్ రీల్ ఉంటుంది కదా, థ్రెడ్ తయారై ఉంటుంది కదా, ఆ థ్రెడ్ని ఏం చేస్తారు? ఒక క్లాత్ కింద తయారు చేస్తారు. ఆ క్లాత్ తయారు చేసిన తర్వాత దాన్ని ఏం చేస్తారు, మనకి ఏం కావాలంటే అలా డిఫరెంట్ టైప్గా మనం స్టిచ్చింగ్ చేయించుకోవచ్చు. ఎస్, ఎలా వస్తుంది, వీఆర్ గెటింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ కాటన్ ప్లాంట్, కాటన్ ప్లాంట్, అండ్ ఆఫ్టర్ it will be yarn like a thread. It will be after it will be like a cloth అయిపోయిన తర్వాత ఏమవుతుంది, డిఫరెంట్ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ డ్రెస్సెస్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ దిస్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ వేవింగ్. వాట్ విల్ కాల్, ఇలా అవ్వడాన్ని ఏమంటారు, వేవింగ్ అంటారు. ఇలా కాటన్ నుంచి రీల్ అవ్వడం, రీల్ నుంచి మళ్ళీ క్లాత్ అవ్వడం, క్లాత్ నుంచి మనం డ్రెస్సెస్ స్టిచ్చింగ్ చేయించుకోవడం, దీన్ని ఏమంటారు, వీవింగ్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ ఉలెన్ క్లాత్స్. ఊల్ ఈజ్ సాఫ్ట్ థిక్ హెయిర్ ఆఫ్ షీప్. ఊల్ ఎక్కడి నుంచి వస్తుంది, వి గెట్ ఊల్ ఫ్రమ్ షీప్ నుంచి వస్తుంది. ఊల్ ఈజ్ వెరీ సాఫ్ట్. ఊల్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది, సాఫ్ట్గా ఉంటుంది. అండ్ థిక్ హెయిర్ ఆఫ్ షీప్ యొక్క హెయిర్ ఉంటుంది కదా, ఆ థిక్ హెయిర్ అంటే థిక్గా స్మూత్గా ఉంటుంది, అది క్లాత్ సాఫ్ట్గా. షీప్ హెయిర్ ఈస్ రిమూవ్డ్ ఫ్రమ్ ఇట్స్ బాడీ. సీ హియర్ షీప్, ఈ షీప్ బాడీ నుంచి ఈ హెయిర్ అంతా రిమూవ్ చేసి స్వెటర్స్ కింద అవి స్టిచ్చింగ్ చేస్తారు. సి, ఇట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ షేరింగ్. See here, it is a sheep. It is taken from sheep wool. After it will be wool. ఇలా పెద్ద బండిల్ చేస్తారు. తర్వాత దీని నుంచి ఉలెన్ క్లాత్ అనేది రెడీ చేస్తారు. టీ షర్ట్స్, స్వెటర్స్ లైక్ దట్ దే విల్ ప్రిపేర్. ఓకే, దెన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ క్లీన్, స్పన్ ఇంటూ వూల్. ఆ షీప్ నుంచి తీసిన ఊల్ అంతా ఫుల్గా క్లీన్ చేసేస్తారు. క్లీన్ చేసిన దాన్ని దిస్ ఈస్ ఊల్ ఈస్ యూజ్డ్ టు మేక్ స్వెటర్స్. ఆ ఊల్ని స్వెటర్స్ కింద స్టిచ్చింగ్ చేస్తారు. ఓకేనా, ఊల్తో ఏమేమి చేస్తారు, షాల్స్ అండ్ అదర్ ఉలెన్ క్లాత్స్. ఓకే, సీ హియర్ నెక్స్ట్ సిల్క్ క్లాత్స్. డూ యూ నో సిల్క్ క్లాత్స్? వేర్ we are getting from silk we are getting from silkworm. Okay, that is one type of insect. See here, it is silkworm. Okay, we are getting from silk in this. Okay, silkworm feeds on mulberry leaves. Silkworms, what is their food? Mulberry leaves. This is mulberry leaf. Okay, silkworm food mulberry leaf. Okay, next we get silk from silkworms. Okay, silk thread is made from cocoon. Silk thread is made from cocoon. Okay, see, it is silkworm. No, it is like a thread. ఈ సిల్క్వామ్ ఏం చేస్తారు, థ్రెడ్ కింద ప్రిపేర్ చేసి నెక్స్ట్ ఏం చేస్తారు, క్లాత్ కింద డిజైన్ చేస్తారు. ఓకే, మనకి ఎలాంటి క్లాత్ స్టిచ్చింగ్ చేయించుకోవాలంటే అలా మనం క్లాత్ని చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ ఓపెన్ నెక్స్ట్ పేజ్ నెంబర్ 162. See, let's summarize. Clothes are one of our basic needs. Clothes are one of our basic needs. We wear clothes to protect us from protect ourselves from heat, cold, rain and insect. Okay, next we wear cotton cloths in summer. What type of cloths we use? Summer season, cotton cloths. We wear woolen cloths in winter. We wear raincoats and gumboots in rainy season. Okay, next school children wear uniform. Okay, all of you understand? Okay, all of you open your CW. Now I will tell hard words for you. Okay, open your CW, write hard words. Write first hard word, cloths. Okay, next cover, COVR, cover, and protect, PROTECT, protect. Heat, HEAT, heat. Rain, RAIN, rain. cold, C-O-L-D, cold. Dust, D-U-S-T, dust. Next, insects, I-N-S-E-C-T-S, insects. Smart, S-M-A-R-T, smart. According, A-C-C-O-R-D-I-N-G, according. Next one, seasons, S-E-A-S-O-N-S, seasons. Next, occasions, O-C-C-A-S-I-O-N, occasion. Next, we have 3 seasons now mainly. Summer, S-U-M-M-E-R, summer. Winter, W-I-N-T-E-R, winter. And rainy, R-A-I-N-Y, rainy. Note down all of you. Okay, rainy. Next, cotton, C-O-T-T-O-N, cotton. Next, woolen, W-O-O-L-L-E-N, woolen. Next, warm, W-A-R-M, warm. Raincoat, R-A-I-N-C-O-A-T, raincoat. Umbrellas, U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella. Gumboots, G-U-M-B-O-O-T-S, gumboots. Silk cloths, S-I-L-K-C-L-O-T-H-E-S, silk cloths. Uniform, U-N-I-F-O-R-M, uniform. Synthetic, S-Y-N-T-H-E-T-I-C, synthetic. One more. And doctor. Till from here you should write remaining hard words. In next class I will tell. Okay, note down in your CW everyone fastly. Okay, completed. Shall I explain? Completed everyone? Okay, now I will explain this. See, what is this first one? Cloths. What is this first one? Cloths. Cloths spelling C-L-O-T-H-E-S, cloths. And cover, C-O-V-E-R, cover. And protect, P-R-O-T-E-C-T, protect. Heat, H-E-A-T, heat. Rain, R-A-I-N, rain. Cold, C-O-L-D, cold. Dust, D-U-S-T, dust. And next, insect, I-N-S-E-C-T-S, insects. Smart, S-M-A-R-T, smart. According, A-C-C-O-R-D-I-N-G, according. Next, seasons, S-E-A-S-O-N-S, seasons. And occasions, O-C-C-A-S-I-O-N, ASION, occasions. Next, summer, SUMMER, summer. Winter, WINTER, winter. Rainy, RAINY, rainy. Next, cotton, COTTON, cotton. Woolen, WOOLLEN, woolen. Warm, WARM, warm. Raincoat, RAINCOAT, raincoat. Umbrella, UMBRELLA, umbrella. Next, gumboots, GUMBOOTS, gumboots. And silk cloths, SILK, silk cloths, CLOTHES, silk cloths. Next, uniform, UNIFORM, uniform. Next, synthetic, SYNTHETIC, synthetic. And doctor, DOCTOR, doctor. Say once again all of you. Cloths, cover, protect, heat, rain, cold, dust, insects, smart, according, seasons, occasions, summer, winter, rainy, cotton, woolen, warm, raincoat, umbrella, gumboots, silk cloths, uniform, synthetic, doctor. Okay, you should learn these hard words. Okay, then only you will get question and answers easily. Okay, what is your homework means? Read and write. In this lesson only, lesson 6, hard words. These hard words only you should write. Hard words in homework book. Okay, do your homework. Okay everyone, do your homework and send to your adapters. Okay children, thank you children.